What's up guys, welcome back. This is the follow-up to the Samsung Galaxy S20 glass screen protector. So there is instructions, an actual video that shows you how to do this. So went on it and basically, alright, this is the S20. I need to remove it from the encased shockproof case. Okay, there it is. Very dusty. Just give it a quick wipe. Clean my work surface. So currently there is no screen protector on there. I'll need these, I'll need this squidgy thing. So they had it so you would put this on top of the phone. So the only way for the screen protector to go, I haven't removed anything, is only one way. That's not too bad. Okay, so first things first, I need to clean it. So I'll use the wet cleaning wipe. It's clean enough. Let's use the drying wipe. Most of the lint comes from here, so. Alright. To get rid of these dust particles. I think the edges is the worst. Okay. So then in the video you put this one on. It fits. I'm a bit skeptical about this fingerprint reader. So here is the film. That goes in like that. See this? It's just stuck on that part. Before, what I've seen is on other phones that this part would be film and then the rest would be glass. But I don't think so. Okay, there's a quite substantial bulge here. You can feel it. Okay, let's see. No. Same thing again. Okay, let me try and set the biometrics. Biometrics. Alright, let's see, check. Press a little harder. Cover the. Okay, let me try just in case. Okay, well, it does protect the screen, but not having the fingerprint sensor, and also you can see that the sticky part of the fingerprint sensor is hideous. This is just a gimmick. They just have a bit of adhesive there to look like there was the fingerprint sensor here. So let me test out and see if it actually fits into my case. This one fits a lot better than the Note 10 Plus. Yeah, there's no, I guess, hang on, face unlock. face doesn't match. Okay, there we go. Okay. Well, at least the face sensor works. Well, if I choose to use this, which I probably won't, actually this smudges very easily. Wonder if you can see that. It just smudges. Very crazy. Alright, well, they gave me 2 of them, but I'm not going to try the other one. The other one looks exactly the same. Is this kind of... Hey, this is actually plastic. This glass shouldn't be able to bend this much. Oh well. And then there's this part. I don't know if you can actually see it. There's a tiny bit... Oh, there's a tiny bit of adhesive there in a circle to make it look like there's a fingerprint sensor, but it's not. So if you see this online, I do not recommend this. Do not recommend this. Alright, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.